Okay, this is going to be a real quick update. End of the trading day, October 25th, 2010, being brought to you by FreeChartVideos.com, using time-honored techniques to understand modern markets. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be any form of investment advice. I can draw lines on charts, but you have to draw your own conclusions from your own due diligence and make investment decisions that are suitable for your financial situation. I'm not a licensed professional, just a guy that draws lines on charts. So let's look at some lines. Okay, we have established that the S&P 500 has been in a very nice channel since September, when is that? Probably about the week before September 7th it got started. We've come up in a little channel defined by the light green lines, come back to the bottom of the dark green channel, gone up in another light green lines, reached the top here, went sideways, broke down, found support, surprisingly came back over that green line, came down to a little smaller line, came back over that green line again today, and now have sold off up on up 0.24%, no big whoop today. I'm going to zero in just a little closer now. At the end of last week, I drew this line. I did not have it extended this far. I think I had it about here. Wanting to see if this was going to bounce off of it. Just curious. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. And if we give that line just a little bit of slack, which I think is appropriate, you can see that that the end of the day selling stopped on that line. Does that mean it's going to stay there? Not necessarily. I mean, it could. I'm really surprised that after we broke down here twice, we have come back into this green. I did not think we would make it back up into that channel. I have also drawn this line because it seems to indicate some support, because it used to be resistance here and here, briefly got over it, but then got slammed back down. So anyway, what I'm looking for at this point, the important thing is that this holds. This line down here. If this does not hold, then we are probably going to be giving back a fairly decent percentage of these gains to go back test possibly even the inverted head and shoulders neckline. So let's back out again and take a look at that. So here we have a little bit broader look at things. What I'm saying is, if this channel breaks down, I would expect support in the low 1120s. Now, here's the inverse head and shoulders consolidation. And where is the target to that? It's this blue line right here, which I'm placing just over 1240, but not quite 1250. Call it 1245. And the thing is, though, we are so close to being there. I'll be honest, I cannot tell you at this point if this rally is just going to have a similar strength as this one, whether it's going to have even more. I do not know. I can tell you that we're in this channel, that this is the target from this pattern by measuring the depth of the head. And we're only, 1185. We're about 60 points away. And so we're about halfway there. We're a little bit more than halfway there from this neckline. Gosh, I wish I knew. I really do, but I don't. All I can tell you is I believe we get there eventually. We either go straight there, or we're going to come back and consolidate, possibly as low as the 1120s, before we go back up. So let's just keep an eye on this channel and let's see how it behaves, because right now that's kind of the name of the game. Good trading to you. Thanks for watching the video. And please visit the website, FreeChartVideos.com. If you go to the area of the website that has, I think it's the second section, Free Chart Videos, I've got a piece I put on there today entitled "Why the Bears Are Wrong," and it's a pretty brassy piece, but I put it up anyway, just because that's the way I feel, that's the way I think the markets are headed. And go take a listen to that. And again, good trading. I hope the markets bring you success this week.